Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and I always have headphones in whether I'm taking work calls throughout the day, going outside for walks, or listening to music while I'm working out. So I'm excited for this video. We are going to take a look at Panasonic's RZ-S500W true wireless in-ear headphones. Big thanks to Panasonic for sponsoring this video and sending over these headphones for us to check out. They even sent over the black and white colors so we can compare the two. We're gonna take a quick look at what comes in the box of these headphones and test out some of the features. I'm really excited to try out the noise canceling on these headphones. I've heard it's really good. It uses Panasonic's dual hybrid noise canceling technology. So let's go ahead and get started. Here are the Panasonic RZ-S500W headphones. Gives you some features on the side of the box. Nice to see they are IPX4 rated, maybe in case you get caught in the rain, or of course if you're sweating on them during a workout. Inside the box, you have some important information about warranty information, getting the right fit, and your getting started guide. Pretty cool. They include 5 different sized earpieces. You'll notice medium's missing because those are pre-installed on your earbuds. As a lot of you know, I'm probably gonna have to install the extra large size. Inside you also get a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Nice that they are using USB Type-C. Let's move on to the earbuds. First, talking about the case, says Panasonic up towards the top. Opening it up, 3 LED indicator lights letting you know the charge of the case itself, because this case will actually charge our earbuds. As you can see, put the left one here, the right one there. Now on the back is where that USB Type-C slot is for charging. And a close-up of our earbuds. They each have 3 microphones built into them. On the outside is a touch sensor so you can control things such as music, you can answer phone calls. We'll talk about those gestures in just a second. To charge the earbuds, fairly simple. Just set them on in the case. There's actually a magnet built in, so you will feel it sort of clasp into the case when it is secure. And to show you there is a magnet, you'll notice they will not fall out when I put them upside down. Nice to know they are secure. Setup process via Bluetooth was really simple, connected to my phone right away. And there's even a Panasonic Audio Connect app to customize your headphones. We'll talk about this in just a second. And just as a quick example, you can peel off the tip just like that. And to install a new tip to find a different size, very simple, that is it. So really easy process to find your right size. And here's a quick color comparison between the two if you are undecided which color to get. They are definitely more of a matte color to them, kind of nice so they don't reflect too much. And yes, the case does match the specific color headphones that you do get. And no, I don't need 2 sets of these earbuds. So we are going to do a giveaway. Big thanks to you guys for all the support you've been giving the channel lately. And of course, Panasonic for supporting the channel and providing us an extra unit to give away. So if you'd like to enter to win, just go ahead and click the Gleam link that's in the description of the video. That will give you all the information you need to enter. Just provide your information and you're entered to win. Here's what the headphones look like in my ears, and it's worth mentioning that the touch controls have a bit of a learning curve. It's important to remember left and right. So left controls the volume, right controls forward and back with tracks. However, you can press once on either of them to play, pause, or answer calls. So if I double tap on the left one, the volume is going to lower. If I triple tap, it will raise the volume. And then with the right earbud, if I double tap, it will skip the track. If I triple tap, it will go back a track. You can also change the sound control. So if I press and hold for 2 seconds on the right earbud, it will either turn off ambient sound, turn on ambient sound, or turn on that noise canceling. Nice, you can do that on the fly. And finally, whatever assistant you decide to use, whether it's Siri, Alexa, Google, whatever, just press and hold the left earbud twice and it will activate it. Nice, it has that integration built in. And like I mentioned, these Panasonic True Wireless earbuds have noise canceling built in, and to be completely honest, the performance has been excellent. There's 50 levels of noise canceling you can scale through. You can even adjust it in the app. However, it takes environmental sound and adjusts the level of noise canceling based on that environmental sound. So it's going to crank it up if you're in a louder area, and it'll lower it if you're in a more quiet spot. Panasonic uses a combination of feed-forward and feedback methods, as well as digital and analog processing in its dual hybrid noise cancellation technology, and their noise cancellation really has been great. Out of the box, I've also been pleased with the sound quality of these earbuds. They are fairly bass heavy, which is fine for me. I do listen to a lot of music with bass, and I like to hear it in the music. However, within the app, you can really enhance the sound to your liking. There's a full equalizer to customize it. You can choose clear voice mode, maybe if you're on a phone call or listening to a podcast, or if you just like hearing the vocals a little bit more in a song, and the bass enhancer. Like I said, bass is already very present. You can enhance it even more with this setting. There's even more features to the app. You can change the ambient sound control, the noise canceling. You can turn it off or ambient sound. You can also change the level of the ambient sound or noise canceling. So there's a lot of different levels to change it in between. Also letting you know your battery percentage. There is Amazon Alexa integration. However, it also does integrate with your personal assistant that you have on your phone. Another one that I would like to make note of is definitely check off the LED notification light. The LED will be on while using the headphones, and if you're in a dark room, that can be a little annoying, so I made sure to turn this off. A couple other useful features: you can find your headphones. You can also change the connection mode priority, which codec it uses if you'd like to prioritize connectivity or sound quality. These headphones have also been very versatile. I can go from being on a work call to being on the go to maybe just watching some videos, playing some games with them. One thing I have noticed is that when I put them back in the case, you have to be very precise with how you put them back in, otherwise they won't fit properly. So just a minor thing, you kind of have to get used to the specific angle to put the headphones into the case. In terms of battery life, Panasonic says you can get up to 6.5 hours per earbud with noise canceling on, and I got just underneath that, but still very good battery life considering active noise canceling was on. The case charging the earbuds holds about 13 extra hours of playback, and if you set the earbuds in the case for 15 minutes, you can get up to 70 minutes of playback, so it does have some quick charge technology built in. The RZ-S500Ws have an independent left-right reception system, which means you're going to get a stable connection with proper sound balance between those right and left channels, regardless of the smartphone or operating system you're using. Panasonic has included a micro-electromechanical systems microphone, a MEMS microphone, which will give you that noise cancellation and efficient voice transmission to give you some solid call quality. I've had no complaints from anyone I've been on calls with. So that's everything I want to talk about for now with the Panasonic RZ-S500W true wireless in-ear headphones. It is really nice having that combo of solid noise cancellation and good battery life. Those are kind of hard to come by in earbuds. But anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about these earbuds. Be happy to hear from you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.